This Bazova 24-piece pots and pans set is a thoughtfully designed ceramic cookware collection for health-conscious home cooks and families seeking safety, convenience, and long-lasting performance. Combining natural ceramic coatings, induction compatibility, and an extensive set of cookware, this set provides everything needed to handle daily meal preparation, from quick breakfasts to large family dinners, with ease and confidence. Whether you are boiling, sautéing, simmering, or roasting, Bazova ensures consistent results every time. The purchase link is available in the description below, and in the pinned comment point, one of the standout features of the Bazova cookware set is its 100% healthy ceramic coating. Made from natural materials, this set is free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it completely non-toxic and safe for everyday cooking. Unlike traditional Teflon or chemically coated cookware, Bazova's ceramic surface does not release harmful fumes even when overheated, giving families peace of mind, especially for households with babies or young children. This non-toxic design is an excellent choice for those who want to cook safely while enjoying the convenience of modern nonstick surfaces. The ceramic coating also provides an exceptional nonstick experience. Foods slide off effortlessly with minimal use of oil, allowing for healthier meal preparation without sacrificing flavor or texture. Eggs, pancakes, stir-fry vegetables, and delicate fish cook easily and clean up quickly without sticking. By using low to medium heat, the coating maintains peak performance over extended periods, helping users enjoy up to 5 times the durability of conventional nonstick cookware. This makes the set ideal for daily cooking and long-term use. Cleaning the Bazova cookware set is remarkably easy. Thanks to the smooth, high-quality ceramic surface, pots and pans require only a quick rinse or gentle wipe to remove residue. The pristine cream-white finish remains intact, keeping your kitchen visually appealing while minimizing the effort required to maintain the cookware. Unlike other cookware that can stain or degrade over time, Bazova preserves its appearance and performance even after frequent use. Another key advantage is consistent and even heat distribution. The heavy-gauge ceramic body of each piece ensures rapid, uniform heating without creating hot spots, whether you are boiling water, simmering sauces, or reheating leftovers. This precise heat management guarantees perfectly cooked meals every time, giving even amateur cooks confidence that their dishes will come out evenly cooked and flavorful. For best results, users are advised to operate the cookware at low to medium heat, preserving the integrity of the non-stick ceramic surface. The 24-piece set is thoughtfully designed to meet all your kitchen needs. It includes a combination of fry pans, saucepans, stock pots, and casserole dishes in varying sizes, allowing you to cook meals for both small families and large gatherings. The set also comes with complimentary lids, allowing you to monitor cooking while retaining moisture and flavor. With everything included, there is no need to purchase additional pots or pans, making it a convenient and comprehensive solution for modern kitchens. In addition to health and performance, the Bazova cookware set is induction compatible. Its durable base allows it to work seamlessly on all stovetops, including gas, electric, glass top, and induction cookers. This versatility ensures that you can enjoy efficient, even cooking regardless of the type of stove you own. The cookware is also oven-safe up to recommended temperatures, providing further flexibility for roasting, baking, and finishing dishes without transferring to another pan. The set is particularly well-suited for health-conscious families, apartment dwellers, and anyone seeking a durable and safe cookware solution. The combination of non-toxic ceramic coating, exceptional non-stick performance, and versatile cookware pieces ensures that users can prepare healthier meals efficiently. Whether cooking for children, entertaining guests, or preparing daily meals, Bazova delivers reliability, convenience, and style. From a practical perspective, the Bazova 24-piece ceramic cookware set combines functionality, safety, and aesthetic appeal. The cream-white finish complements any kitchen decor, while the variety of sizes allows for efficient meal preparation, whether cooking individual portions or preparing meals for a large family gathering. Its non-stick surface reduces oil usage, supports healthier diets, and ensures effortless cleanup, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. The cookware's durability and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment. Each piece is engineered to resist wear and maintain its performance for years of regular use. Its induction-ready base, oven-safe construction, and consistent heating make it suitable for a wide range of cooking methods, from quick stovetop meals to slow-simmered sauces or oven-baked casseroles. Every aspect of this set is designed to support modern cooking habits and provide a premium experience without compromise. In summary, the Bazova 24-piece Ceramic Nonstick Cookware Set is a premium, health-conscious, and versatile kitchen solution. It addresses the most common issues of traditional cookware: chemical coatings, sticking, uneven heat, and limited compatibility, while providing a comprehensive collection of high-quality pots and pans for everyday cooking. Its combination of safety, performance, convenience, and style ensures that users can enjoy both healthy and efficient meal preparation in a modern kitchen setting. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.